Good morning, students. So, today we are going to discuss the first problem on septic tank. See, this is the diagram of septic tank section, and this one is a plan. See what we have to calculate. See here, calculate the quantity for the following figure. This one is a figure, and in this, first we have to calculate earthwork excavation. Next one is a CC, or we can say PCC, that is nothing but plain cement concrete bed under septic tanks. So that is nothing but this one. This is a CC bed under the septic tank, and brick masonry in cement mortar of 1:5 ratio for the side walls. See, these are the side walls. This one is a this one side walls up to here. See, up to here it will be having thickness of 400 mm, and from here to here it is a 300 thickness. See, next one is a brick masonry in, this one is over. Next one is a RCC 1:2:4 ratio for the roof cover, scumboard and baffle walls. See, this one is a roof cover. Okay, on the top of the septic tank we will cover with some rectangular sheet. That one we can calling it as a cover slab or cover roof. And see, this one is a sewer stoneware pipe. This one also stoneware pipe. So let us look into the problem. See, first we have to calculate the earthwork excavation. See, this is the ground level here. So from the ground level we have to excavate the earthwork. See here, for this what we have to need, we need the length and the breadth of the section. See here, only this 500 thickness is excavation is done around the septic tank. So what is the total length of the septic tank? See here, from here to here it is a 400 means 4. And what is the breadth? This one is the breadth of the septic tank. So this one is a 2.2. So length, breadth. So what is the depth? See here, from the ground level to here the bottom, it is the total distance is 3.1 meter. See here, so this is the general table that you have already know. See, the first earthwork excavation is length is 4 and breadth is 2.2 and depth is 3.1. So here I am not calculating the quantity and total quantity. You just multiply this length into breadth into depth, you will get quantity of earthwork excavation. For remaining B, C, D also you can calculate. Okay, this earthwork excavation is over. See, our next problem is CC under the septic tank. So this is the septic tank section. Okay, under the septic tank CC bed, that cement concrete bed is nothing but this one is. Okay, so what is the total length of this bed? Nothing but here to here means 4. The length of the CC bed is 4 meter. And what is the breadth? See, the CC bed, it is after excavation, it is done around the septic tank. Okay, around the septic tank below of this brick masonry walls. So the length is 4 meter and the depth is, sorry, breadth is 2.2 meters. Coming to the depth, it will be having 300 mm, means 0.3. See here, 4, 2.2 and 0.3. See here, CC bed under the septic tank is, obviously it is 1, so 4, length is 4, breadth is 2.2 and depth is 0.3. Okay, so next one is the brick masonry inside walls. See the problem carefully here. See, actually this brickwork is started from here and the depth it is 1.2 meter up to here, and from here to here it is a here to here only, sorry, okay, here to here it is a 1.2 meters. The thickness of this brick wall is 0.4 meter. This one is, see here, 0.4 and this one is a 0.3 meter. Okay, see here, there are two steps. First one is the construction of 0.4 thickness of brick masonry and 0.3. For the 0.4, the total length, see here, this one is a nothing but a 0.3. Okay, this one hatching one is a 0.3 when we are seeing from top. Okay, and this one, this distance from here to here, this total distance it is a 0.4 thickness of the brickwork. So first I am calculating this one 0.4 thickness of brickwork. See, from here to here it will be having 3.8. that is nothing but length of the wall. How many wall we are having? This one is, for lengthwise we are having two walls. This is the first one and this is the second one. So while calculating the walls, you can numbers, you can write 2 and into 3.8, you can write something like this, or you can say numbers, okay, in quantity surveying table, this one. Okay, here you can write 2 or 1. If you write 2 into 3.8, or if you write 1, you can add all this brickwork. Okay, so see here, from here to here it is, the length is 3.8. okay, 3.8 and this side also 3.8, so total 7.6. and next, see here how much we are getting, 7.6. we are adding, or we are constructed the wall up to here, from this corner to this corner, and this one also we have already calculated from here. So this total section is over. This one, this top one and this bottom one we have calculated. So what remaining left, we have to construct a wall from here to here, and this side also from here to here. So what is the distance here? From here to here it is having 1.2 meter. 1200 mm means 1.2 meter. So 1.2 meter, 1.2 meter, so 2.4. so this one is nothing but around the length it will be having 3.8, 3.8. this you can getting 7.6 and 1.2, 1.2, we are getting 2.4. so if we add these two, we are getting 10. okay, we are getting 10. So now here the total length of the brick wall is around the septic tank is 10 meter. Okay, what is the breadth of the wall? First calculate up to here 400 mm thickness. So breadth is 400 mm thickness. And what is the depth? Depth is nothing but this one, 1.2 meter. For the first half section I am calculating. See here, for the for the bottom portion it will be having 0.4 thickness, and I am considering total it as a 1. The total length of the brickwork is 10, and breadth is, the thickness of wall is 0.4, and depth is a 1.2. That is for the bottom is nothing but this. So if we calculate for the second one, top one, see the top portion also you are getting the length. For the bottom we have taken from here to here. If we observe the top portion, it will be having thickness of 0.3 mm, sorry, 0.3 meters only. So 0.3 meter is nothing but this one, this hatching one is nothing but 0.3. So that is the reason why I have just taken length from here, this one, from here to here only. So this is nothing but 3.6. This side wall is from here to here, it is a 3.6, and this one also, this side also 3.6. So 3.6, 3.6, you are getting 7.2. Okay, for the, this one is for the 0.4 thickness, and this one is the for 0.3 thickness. So here you are getting length 3.6, this one, and this side also you are having wall, this one is 3.6. From this we are getting 7.2. Okay, see in this case also we have taken, or we have constructed wall from here, here, here to up to here we have already constructed. What is the remaining portion we are having? We are having only this portion. This is nothing but 1.2. So 1.2, 1.2, it is nothing but 2.4. So how much you are getting? 9.6. So for the second portion of the brick masonry is total length. Total length it is 9.6. And what is the breadth? Breadth is nothing but 0.3 meters. And what is the depth? See here, from here to here it will be having 1.2 meters. Okay, see here, how much you are getting? 9.6. Okay, see this is a 9.6, 9.6, and breadth of the brick masonry is 0.3, and coming to the depth it will be having 1.2. Okay, see the next problem, RCC 1:2:4 ratio. This is the concrete grade for the roof cover, scumboard and baffle walls. See, roof cover. Roof cover is nothing but on the top of the septic tank. You might have observed the rectangular sheet like bed, concrete bed is placed. Okay, this one, this total is nothing but a roof cover placed on the septic tank. Okay, and this one is a scum. This total portion we can calling it as sum, and baffle walls, these walls, these two walls we can calling it as a baffle walls. See students, observe here carefully. Cover slab is nothing but under the top wall, from, sorry, on the top of the 0.3 mm thickness of brick wall. Around this we are covering with a cover slab, means it is totally covered with this area. Okay. Okay, see, for the cover slab, what is the length? Actually it is covered from here to here, and here this corner and this corner, and this length is 3.6. Okay, from here to here 3.6, and from here this corner to this corner we are covering with a cover slab. So what is the total breadth of this slab? See here, from here to here it is a 1.2, and what is the thickness of this wall, top wall? It is zero point 0.3, and this side also we are having 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.6, 0.6 plus 1.2 meter. So from this we are getting 1.8. Okay, this one is from here to here it is a 1.2, 1.2, 0.3, 0.3, 1.8. So length is 3.6, breadth is 1.8. So what is the depth? See here, he has already given here 100 mm RCC slab. 100 mm means 0.1 is the depth. See, for the roof cover we are having total length is 3.6 and breadth is 1.8 and depth is a 0.1. Okay, next one is for the scum board. See here, this is a scum board and this is a baffle wall. See here, in order to calculate this one, so first we have to calculate what is the total length. Actually it is from here only, from here to here. Okay, see here, in order to get this one, we are eliminating from this total length. See here, from here to here will be a 2.4. Why? From here to here is 1.2, 1.2. So from here it will be having 2.4. 2.4 minus how much we are having here? 150 mm means 0.5. Here it is a 0.3. So 2.4 minus 0.3 and 0.15. We are just eliminating this. So from this we are getting length of the scum board is 9.5 meter. Okay, and coming to the breadth. See, in order to get breadth values we have to see the plan. See, from here to here it will be having 1.2, and some small portion is extended to the wall, this side and this side, if we observe from top, and this small extended distance is zero point 0.1 meter and this one is a 0.1 meter. So 0.1, 0.1, 0.2 and this one is a 1.2. 1.2 plus 0.2 it is 1.4. So breadth it will getting the 1.4, and thickness of the this scum and baffle wall is he has given here, it has a 100 mm. This is nothing but the thickness of the baffle wall. Okay, from this we are getting quantity. See students, I am not calculating quantity for the anyone, so you just calculate it, length into breadth into depth, and you will get quantity. After getting quantity, just add these two, you will get total quantity. From this also you can add this total, we are getting final total quantity here. Okay, see the next one for the baffle wall. For the baffle wall also, the total height it will be having, it is a 2.4, nothing but this one. Now we are calculating this one. This one also procedure is same. From the total length of the wall, okay, we are just eliminating this, and from this we are getting this distance. So total is 2.4. 2.4 minus 0.15, here from here to here 0.15, from here to here it is a 200. So 0.15, zero point 0.2, 2.4 minus 0.2 minus 0.15, from this you are getting 2.05. So for this one also the breadth is 1.4. Why 1.4? See here, from here to here it is a 1.2, and 100 mm is extended both side. 100 mm, 100 mm, 100 mm, it will be having 0.2, 0.2 plus 1.2, it is 0.4. The thickness of the baffle wall is 100 mm, that is nothing but 0.1. From this you are getting quantity here. So if you are adding all this quantity, you are getting the total quantity. So students, calculate the quantities for the all these things, and similarly calculate the total quantity of this A B C D problems, and send it to me in a WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.